Hello family, I hope you're all doing good. Today's a quick recipe that I'm sharing with you. I have all my favorite vegetables that I use for my tomato stew, either for jollof rice or stew. Yeah, so I love this kind of combination, and you don't need to add any tomato paste when doing this type of tomato blend. You cook and then you blend, and after that you store this in your containers, and then anytime you need it you can have it. It's so easy to prep this, to get things easy for you. Home seed food aduane pa ɛyɛ. I know you give it a try. Akɔnɔ say na ɛnkeka koraa nso tiema ade bi a wode yɛ bia no yɛde can use for soup, whatever you want to use it for. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and follow for more recipes. Thank you.